Hey guys, I'm Morty, and today I will try to fix my sewing machine because I want to sew something so bad. Wait, where is it? Where is it? I want to make a skirt out of that. It's something to sleep. Wait. I'm gonna do that. Look, there's a pill on the floor. Pill on the floor. I don't care. Okay, so first thing is getting this fucking thread out of the saw thread. Man, I actually never really learned how to sew. I remember that I had to do it back in school. And I hated it so much because the teacher was just straight up awful. Oh, and I'm already doing something wrong. Oh my god, be patient. So yeah, the teacher was awful. She was also super racist. That was weird. And spent we were never allowed in middle school to like touch her jacket. So we did it in secret. Cause she was like, nah, you have like dirty hands and it's like this disgusting stuff. Oh man. I hope she's doing okay. So anyways, I don't know how to sew. I don't know how to fix a machine. A friend tried to show me, but the thread is stuck. Yo, thread, I'm stuck. Thread, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in the machine. It's like, step bro, I'm stuck in the fucking machine. Oh, I did it. Yeah. Okay, first thing first, I need some thread for this one, because this comes like down there. And I don't know how to do that. Wait, what? Okay, wait, I do it my way. I just, improvise. What can go wrong? A lot of things actually, but... okay, okay. How is that working actually? Okay. I'm trying to use the phone. You know that? It's like from Impractical Jokers. Oh, do you see that actually? These are like two of the comedians that I met in the Vienna Comedy Club. You should go there if you're in Vienna. It's at the Black Sheep. It's the Vienna Comedy Club. Look us up on Instagram. Okay, now I got this. I got this. Gays and women, I got that. And everything in between. I got this, right? So this is Tito and that's Jacob. Jacob and Tito, they're fucking funny people. Oh man, this is going nowhere, guys. This is going nowhere. What am I doing? I'm trying to use the sewing machine. Man, I hope I achieve something with this YouTube channel. If not, I will, actually, nothing. I'll just continue with my life. It's actually just for fun. So, I only take constructive feedback, but nothing more, yeah? If you have something else to say, that's not constructive feedback, you can go and learn how to give feedback. I played theater for 5 years, but it was more like performance theater, so I know kind of what like constructive feedback is. It's like not really the easiest feedback you can give, but it's the best one, like the necessary one. It's like more of like, you don't really say this was bad and this was not good and I didn't like it. You're more like the other stuff. You're more like, yeah, maybe like, you don't just say like, oh, the I don't know, in comedy for example, the tempo, maybe try this and that, so the crowd would be, I don't know, could keep more attention to, the heck do I know, like, who am I? But this is like, the criticism, like not criticism, like feedback that I like, you know, and everyone else who doesn't, well, you should learn some being being empathetic and not an ass, I guess. You know, you meet those a lot in our kind of artist scenes or skateboarding. Okay, I think I got this. Man, if this is like not actually the way to go, someone should tell me please, yeah? And if this is not working, and my friend like was right, but I didn't, like I'm too stupid to actually do it right, my friend is not right, then please tell me, because I want to get this fixed. It was not super expensive. I got it like from someone on like a website. And it wasn't a lot. It was enough. Welcome back. Hanging on a thread. Sword of Damocles. Yeah, welcome back. Sword of Damocles. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Close enough. Jesus. And I'm so happy my roommates are not here. I mean, it's indeed kind of like my feet are proper. It's indeed kind of like boring and scary at night. But I can talk more, like in the camera and stuff, without like being scared that I get criticized, even though I won't even be criticized, but you know, I'm just me with anxieties and stuff, I don't know. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I should take this away also. Yeah, how did my friend do that? There's like a thing. Oh, I got it. Yo, yeah, no, I'm just anxious. And I mean, they know I want to do stuff like that, and then I also like to play the drums, the bass, the guitar and stuff. I like to sing. I like to talk to my friends and stuff. I like to make art. But I don't know, I'm always a little bit scared. You know. Which isn't actually good. It's not necessary. But yeah, and now that I got it, I get more comfortable the more videos I do. So I guess I will also be comfortable when they are back, because I already started. Oh man, I wish I could show them to you, but they don't wanna be on videos. Oh yeah, I have to like get out the fucking dust. This is like so much fucking dust. I didn't know that you had to clean this shit. And this was like in the basement of the person for like super long. Oh, this is actually satisfying, but I think I need a tweezer. I ain't got no tweezer. Oh no, I do, I guess, I think, maybe. I use tweezers to Where do all the pills come from? Oh man. Good enough. Welcome back. Trash can. I use tweezers to plug up my nipple hair. I did that actually recently. I rarely do that. But I did it. So, yeah. It's good. No! The tweezers are gone. Where's the tweezer? Fucking tweezer. I had the tweezer. Where's the tweezer? I'm tweaking. Eh. Where's it? Tweezer, please. Weezer, I need you. Weezer. Would be funny if like Weezer would come up now, like out of nowhere, and bring me a tweezer. That would be so fucking funny. And I'd be like, thank you, tweezer. You are weird as fuck and your music sucks. But that's why the band, like, that's why you have so many fans. Because you like the shitty music. They're not even that shitty, I don't know why people act like that, it's fucking mean. I have a gorilla there. Yeah. Close enough, welcome back. Well, now I can't stop saying that. And today, like a friend slept here in my room, and I couldn't stop saying like, holy moly, and I was saying holy moly all the fucking time. And he was like, stop, you have to stop. And I was like, no, I can't, I have to say Allah mother. I like the Allah mother. Allah mother. It's not the Shakira shit, it's this holy moly shit. I don't even know where it's from. God, there's fucking so much fucking dust. Dust. I'm actually super allergic to dust. Like really badly allergic. Not badly actually, I was over exaggerating. I wanted attention. I wanted to get me a sewing machine. Okay. My sewing machine, like sometimes I give, like in any like objects, you know. Sometimes they give me like personalities, or like some kind of like human vibe. The thing is with my skateboard I have, sometimes I feel like I have the feeling it's like so rude and stubborn. So for me it's more like of like a teenager, and with the sewing machine it's more like, you know, just a person being like, fuck you, you know. Like, I do what I want, that's why I get dusty. Similar to the skateboard, but the skateboard is more like of a teenager. And I don't know why I do that, but it makes life a little bit more fun. Because I treat stuff well, you know, because of that. I don't know, the chef, for example, is also rude and annoyed by me and stuff. It's not that they speak to me and I'm not psychotic or some shit, but it's just more of like a feeling. Hard to explain. Man, I think now you can really see me. Doesn't matter, I'm trying to still fix this shit. Man. Here, there, everywhere. Sorry. The Beatles are my favorite bands. I love them so much. You all can't imagine how much I love them. My favorite is George. Ow! Dumb fuck. I'm so glad that I didn't fall asleep for eternity now. Okay. Man, this is not my dad, this is cell phone. Okay, I'm that. There's like stuck under the hay. This is like, that's not funny, that's not funny. This is not. This is not. Second time. You hurt. Then I'm bleeding. I'm 2 fingers now. Art hurts, man. You can ask me. I'm the most artsy artist ever. I invented art. Last year it's all. Art. So yeah, that's that. Okay, doesn't matter anymore. This video will just be about me bitching about the shit, and then we can see if I say to fix it, and that's it. Maybe I get too much into it, and then like, do it. I hate getting in this part. I can't do it. Oh no, I broke. No, that doesn't matter. Guys, now okay about it. Let's just moving and stuff. But I think my friend, who's a fashion designer, I think she would be tweaking right now. She would be like, why are you doing this like that? I'm like, I don't know, baby girl. I'm just a guy. Actually, I'm not. Still. And how am I supposed to get this out? Ah, man. Yeah. Ah, no. I have to get this out from like... Yeah, but how am I supposed to get this out though? Oh my god, how do you call it? Like doing smart things with your hands and stuff. It's not easy for me. Not easy. How do I get this out? 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 Chat, is this real? Chat, am I cooked? Ah, it's coming out. Slowly but steady. But I need something better. I have a fake Swiss. Not even fake, just, one of these knives. One of these knives. I need some things. Sorry. Yes. I haven't used it in so long. It's not working yet. What the fuck? Damn, this shit. Okay, if I hurt myself again, I will not be around anymore. I tried with that one. This is, I think, not going to kill me. Hey, actually, this is not cool. Does this like go out? God, please, stop that. Oh, okay. No, this is not okay. Like, this is actually pretty cool because I have a few things there, but this is actually going nowhere. Ah, did I cut myself? No. Witness me being... Hey, I just... Okay, here we have this one. Now we need this one to get out. Gosh, man. One of these days, I heard this so bad. It's a really fun. Wait. This one. Dude, come on, dude. Come on, dude. I need this thing. That's the reason why it can move around, and I need it, but I need to get this out. Oh, how long? Okay, it's almost out. You know, push. Almost. Almost. No, it's still like. Now breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in, breathe out. Back up, back up. Oh man, I'm smelling like blood all around that. Sometimes it's really scary because down there is like a street, a big one. And sometimes it sounds like people are in front of my fucking window. And that's not good for my feet. Okay. A little bit more. I mean a lot more actually. What am I? Who am I trying to soothe? Okay, I put this, we call it foot in German. I don't know about what the fantasy languages say to that thing. Ob ich mir what the No way in hell. No way in hell. Okay. Okay, I got this. No, I did not. No, I don't got it. And okay, man. Yeah, no. Okay, moment of truth soon. Let's see if it's working. If I need to ask someone to help me again. What's the issue with that, John? I'm pretty sure I saw it. Okay. Okay. Whew. Okay. Let's just do this here. Yeah, it is for a little bit. Oh yeah, the needle, good. Oh, but nice, I made a little bit. And I need to exchange it. Sick, I fixed the machine. Oh my god. Guys, for that, leave me a like. And subscribe, guys. Please, come on. See ya.